Visitors this afternoon. Two little cutie. Cookies. Unboxing Batman PS4. Rocksteady. When did you buy this?
Long time ago.
Long until what year? Hey? PSP Batman, what year?
This one is for sale too. What year did you guys sell it? Oh, this is a new PS4, Bob?
No, I've had this for a long time.
Yeah, I know what I mean. Is this a game?
This is a game. It's not a machine, it's a collector's style. Collector's item.
Batman. Limited edition.
Yeah, steel case. Looks nice, doesn't it?
Oh, so cool.
Oh, look.
All I've done is open it when I first saw it.
Oh.
You put the game inside there. Oh, look, there's the price.
How about the price? Shit. What year is this?
Hang on. Oh, that's on the three different ones. Halo, $200 I put deposit.
And then that's a Levi.
The price would have been... There's a label.
Have a look. Why did you close it all?
Because there's nothing there, darling.
I said have a look at the price.
No, it doesn't tell me the price.
This 150.50.
Yeah, just deposit.
Ah, really?
This is the magazine.
That's the book Batman.
This is the official. This is how it happened. This is how the Batman died. Batman died?
I've seen the Batman flying every night. This is the Wonder Woman.
No, this is not. I wouldn't mind a Wonder Woman statue.
Huh?
I wouldn't mind a Wonder Woman statue. Batman's so old. He's one of the original cartoons. Wayne Tower.
Right.
Get me. Characters. Skullman. How's he gonna eat? Obviously he doesn't eat. Oh, there's a Harlequin Quinn. That's the one that they that the Australian girl goes in on her own. Harlequin. Catwoman. Poison Ivy. Two-Face. Two-Face's thugs. Penguin's thugs. Riddler.
Is this the one that the game in the computer?
Yeah,
The telly?
that's the game. You play on the machine.
PS4, there's a PS5 now.
Yeah. Yep, PS5 now. A lot of people have played Batman over the years.
That's the 2008, 2018, 19 to 21. It's 13 years old.
This one's not 2008.
Is it 2008?
No,
damn.
that Darth Maul was
Yeah,
2008.
this one is. Whoa.
This is really well done, this. Looks nice, doesn't it? Look at the little city.
Federal government payments to affected workers of up to $500.
Batman.
Very handy centre
Look at
if
that.
we go into full lockdown.
Indeed, all right, thanks, Dan.
The city, Arkham City.
Hey?
Arkham City.
Arkham?
Arkham City. Arkham City.
Arkman City.
Western Australia shutting their
It's really
doors to
DC.
everyone from
Hey?
New South Wales, even towns where there have been no
Gotham.
Gotham, nice.
Gotham. Look at all the buildings, eh? Now, if I pull him off,
Yeah.
into chaos. Two little cousins about saving
look at that. Looks nice, doesn't it?
Leather.
They've been grounded
Feel it.
as our travel bubble
Oh, yeah, it's hard.
You can't see that. But there's a building in here.
fly home to New Zealand is
Get that one, please, darling. This one, it's gonna fall.
Sydney's international
That one. Right.
There's a drawer in here, I think.
Hey?
New Zealand paused to travel with New South Wales overnight. By daybreak, it was turning into a domestic disaster too.
The lights up. I just got to remember where the switch is.
Borders across the nation.
I can't remember the switch. Lights on. Turn it on. The Batman. Oh.
New South Wales is happy to end that 14-day mandatory quarantine standard.
The Batman.
Immediately to Dr. Young, and we will facilitate it. That was already made clear.
Gotham Knight.
Everything we could to facilitate
Yeah, okay.
It's nice, eh?
Yeah, the Joker.
He's a bad man. There's all the suitcases.
Why
with the
there's a
money.
lot of jelly there?
Because he's got it. Because he's a
mo-
bad man. He's a
he's-
criminal.
He's monitoring someone?
Yeah, monitors everybody.
Wow.
Ah, yes.
Yep.
You wouldn't think that was there, would you? See? They're all grey.
Citizen 6 years already.
See?
Yeah.
They're not see-through.
Yeah. And so what are they like? Are they expecting you to come home?
No, they're not. I've made it my home, and that's what it's gonna be.
Wow.
One
You
night
just
to
don't
kill
know what's
Batman.
going on in
They
his
killed the
head.
bat. He's offered
I
$50
hope
million
he doesn't choose me to leave the farm tonight.
to kill Batman.
Me and Will come from different worlds.
What's the
but that
letter?
doesn't mean it can't work.
One night to kill the bat. Man.
TVs look good, eh? I didn't.
It's like real.
Our farmers.
See,
Turn
it's
up.
great. Looks
How
like
many?
looks like grey paint.
It's
And then-
super rock to have to make. The
Wow.
thought of having to go home so early
Makes it more
is very
real.
scary. So yeah, it could be me going home for sure.
Some.
Out, guys. So, maiwan si Mr. So, it's 5:20. See you, darling. So, it's 5:20, guys, in the 5:20 in the evening. Maglakaw ako mag-isara. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. May hidden agenda ako tonight. So, let's go. Alis tayo. Sobrang lamig. Hello guys, good evening. Time checks 9 o'clock. Tapos wala akong magawa, hindi ako makapag-antay na gupitan ko yung hair ko kasi nangalaga siya, guys, nangatanggal, tsaka sobrang taas na, so gugupitan ko siya. Okay?
Ang taas na sa nakuha ang tumoy. Bye. Bye long hair.
Diyan. By split ends. Guys, so taas din 2 inches. So there you go. Look at that, my baby Foxy. Okay, sleepy na. Good night. Good night, baba. Murag korek, oy. Undan pa. Hey, it's not your bed. You go to your bed. Foxy. Murag jog korek, oy. Kumura man jog korek. Murag tao, oy.
I'll do a video.
Of not having full-time work, I
I thought, what can I do?
Only
to
Foxy
help
can
my
get the video.
family?
They too needed to save
Yeah,
money.
Foxy's
So
in the
she
video.
tried Yui Home Insurance and saved $240.
My husband was super supportive and he goes, don't worry.
He's
we're
licking his
in
lips.
this, We're in this together.
When your
Like
life
he's eating it.
changes, your insurance should too. Yui,
Stop.
you
Stop.
insured.
No,
Ever since
See?
I retired,
Good boy.
that's cruel.
He's a good boy. You listen.
You said that.
Yummy?
There's a lot you can do in a few
You're a
seconds.
witch.
You know it just
What
what
witch?
happened.
You are doing that to a poor little dog.
I never miss having a bet on Friday night footy. Sunday football, 10 legs, same game multi.
Wait. Be a good boy. Sit down.
Don't let him have the chicken.
Good night, ladies.
Not the chicken.
Don't give chicken. Why?
No,
It makes him sick.
yeah, maybe.
No, you can't have it. Okay? It makes you sick.
You can have the pork.
No more pork.
What's that piece there on the end?
This is mine.
Ah, give him a little bit of that. Because he's a good boy. You got to reward him because he did what you said.
You're a good boy.
Because he stopped, so you got to reward him so he knows that he needs to stop.
Where the warmest patch of floor is, but she doesn't know what furball means.
Doesn't want it. He doesn't eat, darling.
No, he's being good. That's why you got to
Hello, where
reward
you
him.
going, Baba?
He said, no, I don't need to look at that now.
Here.
Optimum furball formula.
Good boy.
On now at Choice
Good
Mart.
boy.
Get this little ripper, the
Daddy.
Vivo Y11s smartphone for just $158. That's 20% off. HP 14-inch laptop with great SSD storage.
He won't
just
take off the plate.
$422.
He's already told him
Or
no.
get this super slick, super
Good
versatile
boy, are you?
See, he's sitting down now, waiting for you to give it to him.
Intel Core i5
Want this?
So you go, good boy.
No. Sit down. Sit not yet. Sit down, good boy.
Best price guarantee.
Put it in the plate.
Local Choice Mart now.
He knows you're not allowed to touch it.
You're very smart.
Yes.
Very smart boy.
Report to you.
Yum. Oh.
That's why you got to reward him.
Give me a reward too.
People need to comply with the public health orders moving around New South Wales.
Our job is to report to you
Close your mouth.
every night. Farmer wants a wife.
Nope.
Brought to you by Boo.
Okay.
There's no better match
Enough
for you
now.
when it comes to your
Stop.
health.